In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Canva website into Shopify using Canvify app. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, go to the settings area so you are in the right place to manage apps and store tools. After that, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. From there, open the Shopify App Store and search for Canvify. When you find the Canvify app, click Install. Shopify will then show you a permission screen so you can review what the app needs access to. To continue linking the app to your store, click Install App again. This connects Canvify to your Shopify account and prepares it for importing your Canva website design. Next, move over to Canva and open the website design project that you want to bring into Shopify. Make sure you have the correct design open before you continue, especially if you have multiple Canva projects in your account. Once your design is on screen, go to the top right corner and click Share. In the sharing options, select Public View Link. This is the version of the link that allows your Canva website design to be accessed properly for importing. After selecting that option, click Create Public View Link. Canva will generate a URL for your design. Copy that link carefully, because this is the link you will use inside Canvify. Now go back to your Shopify admin. Open Canvify from the Apps menu. At this point, you may first need to subscribe before continuing. If that appears on your screen, complete that part first so the app is ready to use. Once you are inside Canvify, find the URL input field and paste in the Canva public view link that you copied a moment ago. It is a good idea to double-check that you copied the full public view link and not a different share link, since using the wrong one can prevent the import from working correctly. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time later and help the process go more smoothly. After the link is pasted into the correct field, you are set up to continue inside the app with your Canva website connected to Shopify through Canvify. That covers the full process shown here, from installing the app to preparing your Canva design link for import. That covers everything you need to know.